Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to talk a little bit more about whether a text would be fiction or nonfiction. I noticed last week when some students were going to select their nonfiction text to write about that we still had some trouble determining whether a text was fiction or nonfiction. So today we're going to go through some of the characteristics of a fiction or nonfiction book that will help you determine if the book is fiction or nonfiction. So if you look at the slide that we're looking at, the first column talks about fiction books. Fiction books are those that tell a story. They have characters and a setting, a problem and a solution. Many times they have illustrations, and we read these books just to enjoy a good story. Nonfiction books give us information. They tell us facts, they have a main topic or main idea, and they have supporting or key details. They may have photographs, some have illustrations as well, and we read nonfiction books to learn about something new. Boys and girls, we are going to look at the cover of some books and try to decide if they are fiction or nonfiction. So looking at the cover of this book, Snakes That Squeeze, do you think the book is fiction or nonfiction? And why? If you have someone sitting with you today during your lesson, tell them why you feel this book is fiction or nonfiction. Boys and girls, the book Snakes That Squeeze is a nonfiction text. The reason I know it is a nonfiction text is because the cover looks like a photograph of a real snake. It doesn't appear that there would be any characters in this book. And I would read this book to find out or to learn about snakes that squeeze. Let's try another one. Do you think this book is fiction or nonfiction? The name of the book is Thea Stilton, The Secret of Whale Island. Boys and girls, this book is a fiction book. Thea Stilton is a mouse. She is a character. This has a problem and a solution, and I can look at the cover and I can see it is an illustration, and I know that we don't really have mice that talk. So I know that that's made up and that would be a fiction story. Your job today, boys and girls, is going to be to do the same thing that I just did. You're going to look at some covers of a book in the Google form. So you're going to click on the green link under Monday on the reading slide that says Google form. You're going to look at the cover of each book and then decide whether that book is fiction or nonfiction. If you'd like the list of the criteria or the characteristics of fiction and nonfiction books, that's located in the strategies slide to help you.